In this video tutorial, we'll demonstrate the manual triggering option in ExcelLink. As the name implies, manual triggering allows you to stream data into a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet when you manually press or click a button. We'll begin by running Advanced Trigger ExcelLink from the Add-ons menu. With the Manual tab selected, we can see that there are two options for manual triggering. We can take one row of data until a specified number of rows is filled, or take multiple rows of data and stream those into Microsoft Excel all at once. We'll begin by choosing the one row option. Once we hit the Start button, you can see that ExcelLink is arming, waiting for us to click the Capture button. Once we click the Capture button, a single data point is streamed into Microsoft Excel. Looking at the spreadsheet, you can see that each time we click the Capture button, a new data point is streamed. Now, if we choose the multiple row option, we can specify a number of rows to stream into Microsoft Excel each time we hit the Capture button. So now if we click Start to get back into arming mode, and click the Capture button, we'll see that 3 consecutive data points stream into Microsoft Excel. The Append option allows you to append or add to the existing spreadsheet. So instead of updating the same 3 rows, you're streaming a new series of data points into Excel each time you hit the Capture button. In addition to the Append checkbox, you may have noticed the Loop checkbox. This option allows you to continually update the same 3 rows of data. So when you hit the Capture button, you'll see that those rows continually update as data streams in from Windac. You can also use the Loop option in conjunction with the Append option. This allows you to continuously stream a new series of consecutive data points in Microsoft Excel. A new series of data points will continuously stream into Microsoft Excel until you click the Stop button or the maximum number of rows is reached.